Quality loss reporting. Especially in industries where raw natural materials are processed, fluctuation in quality of the raw materials can cause major problems. In many cases, the main production continues, but the output is of poor quality, sometimes still sellable, but against lower prices, often referred to as a B quality. To report those conditions, the ProMISe standard form contains the field Quality Loss. If not reported via the ProMISe app or via the SCADA PLC system, an operator can add a Quality Loss report in the application. Select the Register module on the left side. Click Add to create an empty report. With help of the ProMISe matrix, construct with a few simple clicks the root cause of the quality loss. In this example, the steam pressure coming from utilities was low, leading to a second-grade solid board being produced. Fill in the time of the first moment production of second-grade product started. Then, fill in the time the first-grade product is produced again. Select Quality Loss to indicate that indeed low-grade material was produced. If applicable, provide a brief description to clarify the situation for your colleagues. Click Save to publish your report into the system. Your report has now entered the ProMISe improvement cycle. ProMISe, raising your overall equipment efficiency.